This is a very effective trap designed specifically for opponents below 1000 elo. If white starts the game by pushing the pawn to e4, we immediately respond by pushing the pawn to g5, pretending to look like a complete beginner. When white confidently continues by pushing the pawn to d4 to occupy the center, we push the pawn to g4, and in most cases they will automatically use the queen to capture the pawn on g4. At that moment, we push the pawn to d5, opening a diagonal for the bishop to attack the queen. White will usually retreat the queen to f3, planning to coordinate with the pawn and put pressure on d5, so we exchange pawns and force the queen to recapture on e4. After that, we continue developing the knight, again attacking the queen. Because our kingside looks weak, white will most likely retreat the queen to h4 in order to keep it active near the center. We then move the rook to g8, taking control of the open g-file. Now, if white develops a bishop or develops the knight to f3, that is a serious mistake. We immediately swing the rook to g4 to attack the queen. At this point, all escape squares are covered by our pieces, forcing the queen to retreat to h3. And now, we have the opportunity to move the rook to e4 with check. We simply use the bishop to capture the queen. At this point, our position has a huge advantage and the trap is successfully completed.